Mariah's channel. If you are new, this is my daughter's YouTube channel, Mariah Amani, and I will be showing you guys a hairstyle that she picked out herself. So yeah, her hair is freshly washed and blow dried, as you guys saw in the beginning clip. So yeah, she found this hairstyle off Pinterest. We live by Pinterest with everything, you guys, so they really have cute hairstyles on there for your daughters. And I'll be just showing you guys everything that I'll be taking, all the products that I'll be using to complete this hairstyle. I do not know the exact name for this hairstyle. I would just say like some bubble rubber band style protective, whatever you want to call it. But this was a really good, cute hairstyle that she came up with. It lasted her and I for about 3 to 4 weeks until the rubber bands got lengthy and started to pop. But other than that, this was a really easy hairstyle. It's very time consuming, so if you do have the patience, yeah, go for it. But it took a good amount of time to do this. I didn't realize it would take this long, but we got through it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know down in the comments if you enjoy her hair videos, different hairstyles. She loved getting her hair done and keeping her hair, you know, nicely looking as she should. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a parent or a kid, let your kids subscribe, because she will be uploading and doing other videos with her friends and things like that. So don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you like. But yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this style for her. Like I said, I'll be showing everything. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I really can't explain the hairstyle, but in order for you guys to just see it. But it was pretty easy, and I feel like anyone can, you know, do this style if they would like. So yeah, just sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy her channel. Bye.
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to wish I knew. But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my